In these videos, we are going to discuss the Pythagorean identity, which are probably the most important trigonometric identities. Let's start with the unit circles, and we have an angle theta and a point formed by that angles cosine theta, sine theta that lie on the unit circles. To derive these identities, we are going to draw a triangle from that point, and notice that the length of these two sides are cosine theta and sine theta. The length of the hypotenuse of this triangle is 1. From the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, we substitute the values of the side into these Pythagorean equations. We have cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. This is the main Pythagorean identities. If we divide both sides of this Pythagorean identity with cosine squared theta, cosine squared theta divided cosine squared theta is gonna to be 1. And sine squared theta divided cos squared theta is tangent squared theta. 1 over cos squared theta is secant squared theta. 1 plus tangent squared theta equal to secant squared theta is another Pythagorean identity. If we divide the Pythagorean identity with sine squared theta, so cos squared theta over sine squared theta is cotangent squared theta plus sine squared theta over sine squared theta is 1, and 1 over sine squared theta is cosecant squared theta. Therefore, cos squared theta plus 1 equal to cosecant squared theta is another Pythagorean identities. Basically, this is the three main Pythagorean identity in trigonometry.